Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to set up a passcode on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. So let's get started. Now, the very first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings. And the setting, scroll down until you get to the Face ID and passcode. Tap on that and then scroll down and you should see turn passcode on. Now, if you tap on that, it's going to ask you to enter the new passcode. So that's the passcode you wanted to be using. Now in here, you will find out a passcode option. Tap on that. And here you have multiple options. You can set a 4-digit numeric code, a 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. You can choose any one of them. And based on this, you can set up your passcode. Now I'm going to be using the 4-digit numeric code. And as you can see, now I can have 4 digits where I can set up my password. Do note that if you are setting up a passcode, don't be set up an easy passcode like 000. It will not be good for you. And if I set up the 000, the iPhone will also give you a warning that this is going to be a generic or general passcode. So don't enter that. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this passcode and select use anyway, but you should set a passcode which is going to be different and it's going to be unique. Now, once you enter the passcode, you need to re-enter the passcode again. And once you enter that, it is going to be setting up your passcode. And once you finish entering it, it's going to work a bit and disappear. You need to be online for this to work because it's going to get tied to your Apple ID. And after that, you can see that the turn passcode off option is going to be available. So that means the passcode is already set on. Now, when you exit and close the app and lock your phone, and when you try to unlock your device, it's going to be asking you for passcode. You should enter that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.